Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125PS 350 Luton box van needs turbo, still starts and runs green. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 255,114. MOT, the 9th of June 2025. Engine, 2198cc 2.2 TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, fully working tail lift. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401